'cause you ain't got time to waste. We good, we good, we good. We good, we good, we good, we good. She good, she good, she good. Keep a nigga wrist on froze. Nails rose, covered in rose gold. Keep a nickel wrist on froze. Nail rose, covered in rose gold. And my shawty goes, she hella cold.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, Mel's TV. Today's video is going to be about a aloe vera gel hair mask. Jumping right in, I started off by cutting the aloe vera leaf into medium sections, basically. Once I cut them into medium sections, I then cut them in half, and in the middle is where the actual gel is. Now, you can cut off the sides if you want because they're like sharp and pointy, but I don't need to, so I didn't cut it off. So I got my aloe vera leaf from my local grocery store, and I paid like $1.29 for one of them. My hair typically only needs one leaf, but if you have like more hair than I do, then you would probably need like 2 or maybe 3 leaves. Keep in mind, guys, that this process is a little messy because of the gel and everything, so you might want to get like a towel or something and keep it handy for yourself. So I'm starting off with old dirty hair. Like, I haven't washed my hair in about 3 to 4 weeks, and I've been wearing these braids for about a week straight since I've been going to work and stuff. As you can see, guys, I'm basically just taking the braid out and finger detangling my hair along the process. My hair isn't that tangled because it's been kept in braids for a week, so as you can see, it's not really that hard to detangle it. The main things you would need for this tutorial is the aloe vera leaf, a comb, a wide tooth comb or brush, something to detangle your hair with if you don't have any of those stuff, and a shower cap or a plastic bag. So I'm just sectioning my hair off because I'm going to work in small sections since it's easier that way as opposed to trying to put the gel all throughout my hair. Once you have a small section to work with, you basically just take one of the slices of the aloe vera piece and you slide it all throughout your hair. The gel comes off pretty easily. You can also detangle while you're putting the gel in your hair because aloe vera gel has lots of slip. So I'm basically just taking another small section and sectioning the rest of my hair off, and then grabbing a piece of the aloe vera leaf and sliding it up and down my hair to disperse the gel all throughout my hair shaft. And that's basically how you get the gel to loosen up. You can just take your fingertips and push it into the leaf, or your nails. You can use your nails as well, and the gel basically just loosens right on up. And don't forget to rub the aloe vera leaf on your scalp as well because aloe vera gel also has great benefits for your scalp. And again, I'm basically just rubbing or sliding the aloe vera leaf up and down my hair until it's like soaked in gel. And you can basically tell the difference between the dried and brittle side of my hair as opposed to the other side that has the aloe vera gel on it. As you can see, my hair looks very shiny and moisturized, and that's just from the aloe vera gel alone. I didn't put anything else in my hair prior to this. So I also want to share with you guys some of the health benefits of aloe vera gel on your hair. So aloe vera gel contains something called proteolytic enzymes, which repairs dead skin cells on the scalp. Aloe vera gel also acts as a great conditioner and leaves your hair all smooth and shiny. Aloe vera gel also prevents itchy scalp, redness, and dandruff on your scalp, which is why I recommended rubbing the aloe vera gel on your scalp as well as your hair. Last but not least, keratin is the primary protein of hair, and aloe vera gel is similar to that of keratin. It rejuvenates the hair with its own nutrients, giving it more elasticity and preventing breakage. As you guys can see, there are many benefits to using aloe vera gel on your hair. And just because I'm using this as a pre-poo does not mean you can't use it for anything else. You can use it as a regular hair mask or like a deep conditioning hair mask. As you guys can see, I'm basically done putting the gel in my hair. I made sure that I used every last piece of the leaves that I had. Like I said, I typically only need one leaf to cover my entire hair. For that deep conditioning effect, I'm using 2 plastic caps. Not only does my hair look super shiny, it also feels very soft and moisturized, and from the aloe vera gel, it has lots of slip, so it's easy to detangle. I added on a scarf for some extra warmth. Like I said before, I'm gonna leave this in my hair for 30 minutes, but you can leave it in for however long you want. Okay guys, it's been 30 minutes and I'm just going to take my hair out and show you guys how my hair looks after it's been deep conditioned with the gel for 30 minutes. My hair is super soft. It's very easy to detangle. As you can see, it's very shiny. I am happy with this hair mask. So now I'm basically going to go wash and condition my hair because this was a pre-poo, as I said before, and I will be right back to show you guys the result. Okay, so after washing and conditioning my hair, this is literally what my hair looks like fresh out of the shower. My curls are still popping, and as you can see, my hair still looks very shiny and it's super soft and there's like no tangling at all. Detangling my hair in the shower was super easy because of this pre-poo. And yes, this was my very first time trying this pre-poo hair mask out, and I love the results, so this will basically be my new go-to pre-poo before I shampoo and condition my hair. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please be sure to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to leave any questions or comment in the comment section below. Please, please, please subscribe to my channel, guys. Thank you so much.